Welcome everybody to the Progress Programme. The Progress Programme is about making teaching and learning even better in the school. We want every single student in the school to have their voice heard, to have an opportunity to say what they think. And the first bit of that process is that we ask you to fill in surveys. Now I know you do lots of surveys, but this one is for all of you, and all the staff fill it in as well. So it's all the students, all the staff, to find out how you experience the school. Now obviously, if you're going to say what you really think, it matters to you that nobody in the school knows what you said, because you might want to say some things that feel quite risky. And the thing that we Antidote guarantee is that nobody in the school will ever know who said what. They will know what was said because we're interested in the issues, but they'll never be able to trace it back to you and say a particular person said that. The process begins with 3 stages. The first one is we ask all the students to fill in a survey which tells us what you think. We get graphs from that survey. The graphs are then brought back to you for you to explain them to us, because graphs just say there's a bigger scoring on this or a smaller scoring on that, and what we're interested in, what does it mean? So we'll come back to the school council, and hopefully the school council will come back to the classes and ask you what you mean by that data. From there, we implement those ideas, change happens, and in a little while, there'll be probably about a year, there'll be another survey to see has it made a difference. The first survey we call the baseline survey, the Environment for Learning Baseline Survey. And it's about how everybody feels in school. That's the one you're going to fill in first. It's broad brush, it's general, it's got a lot of questions. The results from those surveys, when they're all put together, give us graphs, and we can cut the graphs different way to see what different years think, to see what the boys think, what the girls think, and so on. We create the tailored survey, which I've told you about, which is specific to this school and allows us to delve a bit deeper into what's going on. And then we create the picture of the dynamic for the school, for the students. All the way through, we are interested in having conversations with people. We use the data, the graphs, so that people can talk to one another. That'll be the student council, it'll be the class councils, it'll be the staff meetings. Everybody, hopefully, absolutely everybody, will have an opportunity to talk about this information. We get an understanding of what's going on, and that creates the energy to do things differently.